What is up, my friends? So, how's everybody doing today? I'm actually doing pretty good. I'm out here on the bike, taking a ride, and it's a good day. So, as you can see, I am wearing a different helmet. Yes, I am no longer wearing my previous helmet. I switched it out for this one. This is a Scorpion EXO Covert FX. What's up, bro? I decided to go with this one because I do like the look of it. It's got more of a Simpson Biltwell look. It is a decent looking helmet. Price point isn't too awful bad. It was sub $300, so I like that price point. Now, I have never worn a Simpson, but from what I understand, they are loud helmets. This helmet is actually pretty quiet, and if you look at the reviews online, while quietness is subjective, a lot of people claim that this is a quiet helmet, and it seems to be more quiet than my last one, and a hell of a fucking sight more quiet than the fucking Biltwell. Because not for nothing, Biltwells are shit helmets, man. They look cool, but that's about all they do. And if I hurt your feelings because you wear a Biltwell, I'm sorry. Well, actually, I'm not sorry, but it's my opinion, so I'm not going to be sorry for my opinion. But yeah, so I like the look of it. I like the fit of it. Other than that, it is comfortable. It's got okay airflow. Like I said, it's quieter than the VOSS I was wearing, and the VOSS, the top vents on the VOSS had a lot of wind noise, produced a lot of wind noise. So you had to always keep those vents closed or deal with the noise. This one, it's not so bad. That's got a vent up here, chin vent, you know, the pass-through exhaust point, and it seems to have okay flow. I've been wearing it for a month, maybe a little over, and so yeah, the one thing, oh man, look at all this shit, fucking steel plate bullshit. Yeah, the one thing that it does not have or does not come with out the box is a Pinlock, and the visors aren't even Pinlock ready. So it does come with two visors. It comes with a clear, and it comes with this dark smoke, but it does not come with Pinlock. And that right there is god damn, this road fucking sucks, man. Jeez. That right there is something that sucks for me, because I'm an advocate of Pinlock, and like right now, honestly, I'm fogging up just slightly bit because I do have the vents closed, so I'm not getting a lot of wind noise. And yeah, so hopefully this sounds okay. This is like really the first time I've used this setup in this helmet. So yeah, overall, so far, I like it. I will say, I'm not waving to you, dude, you're a scooter. I will say that it is lighter than the VOSS. That being said, I do feel the weight of the GoPro more on the chin bar of this helmet. Uh-oh. Something happened. Oh, shit. Yeah, so I do feel the weight on the chin bar of the GoPro a lot more on this one than I did on the VOSS. And maybe that's just because the helmet itself was heavier. I don't know. But I'll keep wearing it, and I will give you a more of a long-term review on this helmet. But overall, like I said, I like the looks, like the price. The price is decent, and it's quieter than my last one. Cons are the Pinlock right now at this point in time. So I have to be able to get a Pinlock, I have to buy not only the Pinlock, I got to buy another shield. So, and according to the websites, the shields they sell are Pinlock ready. These are not. So, all right, guys, that is my quick oversight on the Scorpion Covert EXO FX. Fucking say that thing 3 times real fast. Jeez. So, all right, my friends, and this is where I'm going to end it for you. Until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.